What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review. Today we are looking at the Hotwav Hyper 7S, a rugged smartphone built to handle the roughest conditions without cutting corners on performance. This isn't a tough shell with a battery, it packs real power, smart features, and some surprisingly fun extras. Well, before we start the video, one request: if you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. Well, let's check the tricks that make this Hotwave Hyper 7S stand out.
I've seen your smile light up the darkest rooms. I'll put your love on top, 'cause I know you will too. You get more beautiful like flowers bloom. I've never felt this.
Durability is central to the Hyper 7S. With IP68 and IP69K ratings, it stands up to water, dust, and high pressure sprays. It's also military standard 810H certified, tested to withstand shocks, drops, vibrations, and extreme temperatures. Reinforced corners and sealed ports ensure it's ready for demanding environments. From industrial job sites to wilderness trails, this device is built to perform where standard phones risk failure. One standout feature is the built-in 350 lumen super camping light. Far brighter than a standard flashlight, it's ideal for camping, nighttime repairs, or emergency situations where reliable lighting is a must. The phone also comes with the Magic Light application, unlocking full RGB lighting effects. These can be synced to music, set to flash on notifications or calls, or activated while charging. Users can even assign lighting behavior to specific applications or enable party mode for ambient effects. It's a real combination of utility and flair that adds a real character and functionality to the rugged design. Moving to the display, the Hyper 7S delivers solid visuals and responsiveness. A 6.6-inch HD Plus display with a 120Hz refresh rate offers smooth interaction. With a resolution of 720 by 1612, content remains sharp and easy to view in most conditions. Touch accuracy and brightness perform well outdoors, ideal for maps, media, and on-site tasks. Backing up the visuals is a capable engine. The Unisoc T82005 5G chipset, built with a 6nm architecture, ensures strong performance and energy efficiency. It includes 16GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. Popular mobile games run smoothly with consistent frame rates and minimal heat buildup, even during extended play sessions. Powering all the performance is a serious battery setup. A 10,800 mAh battery supports multi-day usage, ideal for travel or demanding fieldwork. 20-watt fast charging keeps downtime short when power is low. Combined with the energy-efficient chipset, this battery setup provides peace of mind, staying active longer without frequent top-ups or reliance on external chargers. When it's time to capture the moment, the Hyper 7S delivers decent imaging. A very capable rear camera setup which supports 4K video recording, offering sharp results for work or creative needs.
It's all in your hands. I'm too busy. I'm spending all my time with you. Driving through the states. Don't know what awaits. It don't matter. I'm spending all my time with you.
It also comes with a very capable front camera which handles communication and quick captures. Camera performance is reliable across lighting conditions with good focus and natural color balance. Staying connected and on track is just as important. The Hyper 7S supports 5G, Wi-Fi 6, and NFC for smooth connectivity. Dual-band L1 plus L5 GPS along with Payto, GLONASS, and Galileo ensures precise navigation in both remote and urban environments. Signals remain stable even when conditions get tough. All of this is wrapped in a modern software experience. Running Android 15, the interface stays clean and responsive. Google Gemini AI brings smart features for organization and search. Multitasking is fluid with efficient background process management.
All my time with you.
Biometrics are covered by a side mounted fingerprint sensor and 2D face unlock, both offering quick, secure access. To wrap it up, the Hotwave Hyper 7S checks all the right boxes. It's more than just a rugged shell. It's a reliable, smart, and well equipped tool for real world challenges. With battery life that lasts, solid performance, and practical extras like lighting features, this phone isn't just durable, it's ready for anything. Well, I have left a link in the description box. Go ahead, check this phone. But before that, one request: if you have enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.